These are my lovebirds. That's one of the Latino ones, the yellow one, male. That's a peach head right there, the green one. I got some finches in there. They're breeding. They already laid their eggs. See, they just popped out to say hello. There's another Latino one up there, male. That's a cherry head right there. She's a rare bird. That up there. This one's vacant. I got two of them put away upstairs, getting ready for breeding. Here's my green black mask. They're new. They're a little scared. Just got them in last night. Here's this one. That's Adrian. Haven't named the other one yet. She's a cherry head, or a rare bird as well. That's going to be her mate. She partnered up with a blue black mask. What I use for nesting materials, I use some wood chips, some bedding, to be honest, and I use palm tree leaves. They seem to like it, as you can see. Starting to build his nest. Well, I'll let you guys know, keep you guys updated, and let you know how my breeding goes with the birds. Peace out.